Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set up Manor Lords. Also, there is a particular issue you get when you try to start the game where it requires Microsoft Visual C Runtime. So this is my game and I will show you the settings. Okay, so before you run the game, this is what you need to do. You need to download Microsoft Visual C Runtime. Let's do that now. You go to the one on the first link. Then you scroll down and you can download this. Then you use the X64, this. So when you click on this, it will download, and when you're done downloading, we head back to GameHub Lite or GameHub, whichever emulator you're using. You go to the game you want to install the Microsoft C++ on, and mine is this is Manor Lords. You go to the settings, then you click enter container desktop. Now while you're here, you take your cursor to your downloads where you have the Microsoft file. So it's on computer, double click, download, double click, and look at mine here. Just double click on it. Sorry, click on the icon. Okay, so on your end you should see install, like at this part. I have it installed already. That is why it's showing this. So when you've installed it, you can close it, then hit this cancel button here. Then you should go back to the GameHub interface. So you head back to the game and you can run the game. It's going to take some time the first time you open it up, because I don't know why they did that. The default settings, that's the default graphic settings, is on ultra, and it took a long time for my phone to like render everything up on my screen. So you would have to change the settings, like lower the settings so that it becomes playable, because you get like 2 FPS. And the reason why I have my resolution on like native, that's like 1600 by, I think 1600 by 800, is because this game doesn't really go well with this controller setup. It's more of like a mouse thing or a touch thing. So I will just remove these touch controls. Okay. Where's the mouse? Oh. Alright. So when you open it for the very first time, all of this, everything here would be on ultra, and your game is gonna lag a lot. I'm using the Snapdragon 888. It's not as powerful as the 8 Elite, so I had to lower the settings. Alright, so let's head in for some gameplay. I wouldn't recommend you to have yours on like full screen like mine because it's going to drop in FPS. It's just I can't see them when they are very tiny, and I'm still figuring out how to zoom with my fingers. I'm using touch controls. So you could reduce your resolution, then it's best to use a mouse and keyboard to play this. So I'm getting like 7 FPS. Remember, and this is also the fact that I have everything, the resolution on like the highest, so it's very big on my screen. Okay, I've got timber in storage. Construction. I still don't know how to
Nice work.
I don't know how to zoom in yet.
Just give me a hammer and something needs to not move. I'll put it in its place.
And if you head over to the controls, you will see it's more of a keyboard.
So, Hobble, tomorrow,
WASD, and there's the mouse.
just give me a hammer and something needs to not move. I'll put it in its place.
So see, they're building the house.
Need to hoist this timber to the gate.
For building to start production. Okay.
Summer's coming soon. Soon the beat sun.
Okay, so that is the gameplay for Manor Lords. I hope you are able to run the game better than I am on my device. And if you still don't understand how to resolve the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime issue where it says you should download it, you just need to search for it on the web, download the x64 file formats of the program, then you head over to the container within the game. You must head into the container of the game. You can't use it on other games. If you want to use it on other games, you have to do that again for other games. You have to install it for those separate containers on those games. So when you've done that, you can then play the game. This also works on other games like Poppy Playtime. When you run Poppy Playtime, you should face this kind of issue. So you just use the same process and the game will run perfectly. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and thank you.